We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American singer, songwriter, record producer and graphic designer whose real name is Chaz Bear. How do you pronounce this name? Okay, so let's analyze what it means and the language it comes from. Toro is Spanish to say bull. Y is Spanish for and. Moi is French for me. So that would be Toro y Moi. Toro y Moi. In English, however, this is more simply said as Toro y Moi. Toro y Moi. Pretty straightforward once you know. Toro, well, or Toro y Moi. Bull and me is essentially what it means as well. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting music celebrity names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.